Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm back and today I'll be cooking some king prawn with spaghetti. That's what's on my menu today. So in the sink, as you can see, I've got my king prawn there. I'm just going to get them all cleaned up. So guys, I'm just going to use some lime to wash my king prawn. So guys, I got my king prawn there. All I'm going to be using is just a bit of fish seasoning and a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to leave it there for 5-10 minutes. So guys, I've got the pot on the fire for the spaghetti and for the king prawn. I'm going to use butter to do the king prawn. So I'll just leave it there to melt. Then I'll drop my king prawn in. So that's there and it's melting. The pot's ready for the spaghetti as well. So I'm just going to break them in like 3. I'm going to put my seasoning in the pot. So I've got spring onion, sweet pepper, thyme and garlic. I'm just going to cover that, leave it for a couple of minutes. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the king prawn in the pot. I've got loads of pepper in it as well. I've used 1 whole pepper. So I'll cover that back and then leave it. I've got the pasta over there as well. Not the pasta, the spaghetti. Guys, that's the king prawn. It's nearly cooked. I've got the spaghetti there as well. I'm gonna strain that off, but let me first turn the cooker off. So guys, I just want to say big thanks to everyone for watching my videos. Thanks to the subscribe and the like. And I'm just want to say to you, if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. Thanks again for watching. I've got a video coming up soon. I will be vlogging. So guys, I'm out.